Hola, mi amigos. I am Puss and Boots. Today, I am here with my three friends, Ratchet, Alister, and Hunter Lombax.
Hey, what is up, people? Hunter here. Today, we're going to be reacting to a funny movie called Daddy's Home 2 Funny Moments.
Yeah, and it's supposed to be very funny because we saw it over the weekend. And believe it or not, it has Will Ferrell, one of the best actors in the world, and it's going to be funny. Guaranteed it. I did want to say a few words to Sandra Farrington before we get started. Sandra, my love, if you are watching, I appreciate if you leave a like if you can. Very lovely, senor. Now, without further ado, senors and senoritas, and all the viewers on YouTube, including Sandra, let us watch the reaction today.
I brought you your hat!
No, honey, I didn't mean it that way. It's a huge compliment.
Oh no, dude, you're leaving the snow bloater!
Oh no! That's what happens when you don't pay attention, Hunter. Oh my goodness, look what's happening! Oh no! Wow! Oh dear me, this is gonna be chaotic. And whoa! Hurry, it is total chaos! Oh my gosh! It's like a zombie apocalypse! No! Oh
Oh no! He's gonna get sucked up! Oh no! Oh no!
Oh my dear. That does seem very funny. Yeah, I know, right, Alister? So freaking funny, even though that thing isn't even able to stop.
You alright? Look what you did to the side of my car, man.
Oh, that is so roadkill! It's roadkill, I tell you! That is so cool!
Oh my goodness, that is so funny.
Did you touch the thermostat? Did you turn it up?
Well, of course not. Did somebody fiddle with the thermostat?
Yes, it's 85 degrees.
85? Do you have any idea how much even a few degrees can impact the gas bill?
Of course I do. It's unthinkable.
Dad, Kurt, what's going on in here? Why is it so hot?
Someone fiddled with the thermostat.
What? Who would do that?
Oh, it's the little girl. I knew it. Called it.
What do you think you're doing? It's roasting.
No, they're just looking at her like, what is she doing?
You touch the thermostat at your mom's house.
Duh.
Oh, she just said, duh.
Yeah, like, duh. What am I?
Thermostat.
Teenager to you?
Thermostat at your
Well,
place anytime
sure,
she damn well
that could work,
pleases.
Hunter.
Is that
Good
true?
example.
Tell me
Thanks,
that's
Puss.
not true. Oh, criminy, Dusty, you might as well give her your wallet and your 401k while you're at it.
Brad, do you let the kids touch the thermostat at your house?
What? No. The thermostat is a sacred covenant. I can't believe we're even talking about this. This is madness.
Oh, this is a good one here.
You're gonna
Watch.
keep pump faking
I'm
that thing?
watching.
You're gonna take a shot,
Same
Brad.
here, Ratchet.
Me too!
What? What? Huh?
He's never played sports ever.
Maybe it's stuck to his hand.
I guess this movie is actually really good. Even though we did see it over the weekend, and even though some funny parts are good. Yeah, I'm glad you liked it, Alister. I'm glad.
That's what I thought. You know what, Dusty? You're not worth it. Come on, Dad.
Good.
Psych! You're totally worth it!
Oh! Thank you, everybody, for watching our video. We will make part 2 and 3 very soon. So thanks for tuning in for part 1. See you guys later.